In this video, we will show how to successfully install and seat the torque converter on a 6L80 transmission with a 4.3 engine in a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. We will show how far back it goes with measurements for you to see. But first, let's do a quick explanation on what we are trying to accomplish. When sliding your torque converter in, you are lining the splines on the pump stator and input shaft with the splines in the converter. Also, if you're in the process of this job, it is a good idea to go ahead and replace the front pump seal and the torque converter O-ring seal, as we show here. The toughest part is lining the two open slots on the converter neck with the two notches on the pump inside the transmission. See here how it locks together. If it's not in the slots correctly, it will break the pump gear as you tighten the transmission to the engine. We are now ready to install the converter. Using some assembly glue, we will grease the O-ring seal for an easier install. Slide the torque converter onto the input shaft. Notice how the mechanic spins the converter while lifting up on the center. That makes it easier for the spines to line up. Another quick tip, be sure to wear gloves while spinning the converter. The transmission case is very sharp and will cut your hand if you hit it. We are ready to set the converter back. We will cut the music and play the video so you can hear the torque converter when it bottoms out in the pump gear. We are now ready to give the measurements. What we will do is run a straight edge bar across the bell housing and give a measurement from the center of the converter to the straight edge and from the bolt pad to the straight edge. We can't make any specific calls on the measurements, but we will let you see for yourself so you can measure accordingly. This transmission is ready to install. For easier installation, put some assembly glue on the back of the converter where it slides into the pilot of the engine. Before installing the transmission, make sure you have both dowel pins in the engine, as we show here. This is very important. With one bolt tight in each side of the bell housing, you can now check your converter by reaching through the hole in the bell and spinning the converter as the mechanic does here. If you cannot spin it, then something is jammed up and you need to start over. It is always best to spin the converter as you install the transmission. And there you have it, a quick video of how to install a 6L80 torque converter that is behind a 4.3 litre engine. Hope this video helps you guys. Please give a like and subscribe.